What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Realme Narzo 70 Pro has finally been launched, and this smartphone this time around the Realme Narzo series are getting better once again. Let's take a reasons why you should consider buying the Realme Narzo 70 Pro and why it's one of the best phone which you can consider at a budget of 20,000 rupees. Right now the phone is available on Amazon and it's available at a price of 18,000 with the card offers, and there is also an additional exchange offer on the phone as well. Now first of all, let's take a look at its display. The Narzo 70 Pro comes with a 120Hz of high refresh rate LTPO panel and an AMOLED display. It has a 2000 nits of peak brightness and it has a Full HD plus resolution. Now this display generally tends to be a good one, and it is indeed the case with the Realme Narzo, as the bezels are indeed smaller one, in fact smaller than the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE as well, which is priced at 50,000 rupees right now. Next, if we talk about the phone camera module, then the cameras of this phone are a good one, as the primary sensor is a 50 megapixel of a Sony camera, and it's the Sony IMX 870, which is on the flagship grade level camera module. The secondary camera is an 8 megapixel of an ultra wide camera, and third one is the macro camera. Now if we talk about the selfie camera, then the phone also has a 16 megapixel of a punch hole selfie camera, which is a decent enough, not that great, but again you can take decent pictures with the phone. Now the one thing which the Samsung phones have been following a trend with is about the charger, but this time around the Realme is not following the trend with the Samsung, and the charger will be included in the box itself with a 5500 mAh battery and a 67 watt of Super VOOC charger, which will be included in the box itself. Next, one of the major thing about the phones in this price segment is about its build and design. Now the design is subjective to each and every one of you if you like the design of the Realme Narzo 70 Pro, but the build of this phone is pure solid. There is a glass on the back and the frame of the phone is made up of metal and not of plastic. Now this phone can be a great alternative to the Nothing Phone 2A if your budget is tight under 20,000 rupees. Now what do you think about this smartphone? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below and hit that like button so you never miss an update from us. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.